Hi, my name is Jennifer, and I'm gonna be doing a think aloud on this article called How the Patriot Act Works. So I'm gonna highlight this because this is the main important thing, so I'm gonna put in important stuff. For our main things. Okay, it was made in 2011 by Ed Garbansuiki. I don't know, I can't say it well. So let's begin. Okay. The Patriotic Act is a U.S. law passed in the wake of September 11, 2001 terrorist attack. Its goal are to strengthen domestic security and broaden the power of law enforcement agencies with regards to identifying and stopping terrorists. Okay. So let's see. I'm gonna highlight. It was passed in 2011. So it was created because of 9/11, maybe, from a terrorist attack. Okay. Let's see. I'm gonna switch this to red for stuff. Let's see. Not for anything guys. See. Its goal are to strengthen domestic security and broaden. Okay, I'm gonna put these as. Let's see. No, I don't need that. No, I'm gonna need the legend. I'm gonna put this as words that I don't know. Broadening the powers of the law enforcement agency with regards of identifying and stopping terrorists. So this is a law. It somehow reminds me of Homeland Security, since it's of stopping terrorists, and Homeland Security is to protect our borders and everything. So I'm not sure. So let's see here. Its goal is to strengthen domestic security. Maybe I'll do this in blue and put it as what is it exactly saying. Okay. Strange. Let's see here. I'll just switch the color to purple. Let's see here. Wait, yeah, do something fast? No, it doesn't show up. Okay. Let's see. Oh, here it is. Okay. We can take this off. I'll just take it off later. But I'll put this as things I don't understand. Okay, let me hide this. Okay, to strengthen domestic security. So I'm not sure. Probably to stop stuff like what happened in 9/11. I'm not sure of this yet. Let's see what else. Okay, the passing and renewal, which is another one. Word. Let's see. Gotta go red again. Okay, renewal. I don't know this word. What this word means. Passing and renewal. Passing and renewal. Oh, so I think renewal means to a new law, something. A new law of passing the Patriot Act has been extremely controversial. So let's see. That could be something important. extremely controversial. And the supporters claim that it's been instrumental in the number of investigation and arrest terrorists, while other critics countered the act and gives government too much power and threatens civil liberties. Okay, I'll underline this and let's see, gives the government too much power. So what I'm seeing here, it's basically saying that it's half and half. Many people believe that the Patriotic Act is actually good because it helps us arrest terrorists and it arrests terrorists, while some people disagree with this because it gives the government too much power and threatens civil liberty. So they're gonna think that they believe that the government is trying to take away their rights and undermine. Okay, that's another word. Let's see, undermine, which I don't know what this means, and underlines the very democracy it seeks to protect. Okay, let's take a look at what the Patriotic Act is, the support and criticisms behind it, and if the Patriotic is really working. Okay, so let's see, they're going to show us some examples of what this is so far, and let's see what else is. Well, the point of this Patriot Act is to protect our land, I think. Yeah, the U.S. from many threats that might come to us. So let's see what it says. Okay, the Title II is just one section of the bill. This section broadens, another word, I don't know, the ability of law enforcement agencies to conduct surveillance. Okay, I'll do that. Let's see, conduct surveillance. So I'm just highlighting this because it's one part of the Patriotic Act, so just want to make sure what it does. It allows to interception of communication if they relate to terrorist activities and allow law enforcement agencies to share information related to terrorist activities and federal authorities. So what it means is that if they believe somebody is a terrorist, they're allowed to survey or observe what they're doing to check if they're actually terrorists or not. So we could and they could also listen to your phone, I believe, when it says allows to intercept communication. So let me see. Things. Let's see here. No, good. Okay, let's see. See, federal thing. Okay, so I believe, I'm not sure, but it allows enforcement. Wait, let's see right now. Oh, okay, it involves communication. So interception of communication. I don't understand right now because I'm sort of confused. So I'm not sure, but I believe it is talking about phones or computer or anything that involves the internet or any wireless. And see if they relate to terrorist activity and agency to share information to related terrorist activity with the federal authorities. In addition, it also allows the government to order files from the providers of communication service with details about specific customer use of service. Okay. So another thing that they do is it allows the government to order files from the providers of communication service. So I believe that this is saying that the government could get their phone bill or any numbers that they recently called from their communication service. Like, for example, maybe like let's see, like Metro PCS. It could be an example that like Metro PCS, if there's a person who has Metro PCS, the government could ask Metro PCS if they want the information of the person if they're involved, something that I believe. Let's see, oh, here's an example. For example, an internet service provider can be ordered to provide information on the IP address login times and sites visited. Title 2 also allows delay notification, okay, of search warrants, okay. So that's another one I'm gonna underline because it's another thing what the Patriot Act allows them to do, which is to delay notifications of search warrants, meaning a suspect's house could be searched while the suspect isn't present, and the suspect would not be notified of the search until it was carried out. Okay, so now I think I'm going to highlight this blue because I'm actually going to underline some things I believe why people disagree with this. Wait, not this part. Well, yeah. Let's see. Well, this is true. I agree with these people because it's not right. It's important for them to search, but it's not right if the suspect is not there, because they're taking off their rights, even though they might be suspected terrorists. So that's one thing I believe. So I'll put this here. See some. Let's see information. See people. Patriotic ad. Okay, so I just want to see two different perspectives of why, so that's why I'm highlighting this. Okay, the Patriotic Act has come under the fire of numerous reasons. It passed very quickly, just over a month after September 11, 2001 terrorist attack. Okay, so this is why the Patriotic Act was passed very quickly, just a month over a terrorist attack. Okay, so I believe this was passed very quickly because people were afraid that terrorists might be trying to attack over and over again. So they must have been scared enough that they would pass this very quickly. And the Congress spent very time reading and debating about it. So I think also people from Congress also were probably scared of what was happening, and they thought it was right, and it was better for the U.S. if they passed out this law to protect us. It says, by some accounts, less than 48 hours passed between the presidential, and the bill. Let's see. By the word that the law passed both Congress. See, and the law passed both houses of Congress. So this is a very important law by just reading this and understanding why people. So I'll put this. Let's see here. And I don't disagree. Okay. But one thing I don't understand is, see. Okay. Wait, no. Yeah. I want to know. No, this is the wrong one. Okay. I want to know. I don't know why Congress spent very little time on this and debate about it. I don't really understand this. So let's see. Another thing. Leading to some doubts whether many members of Congress actually read the lengthy and complex bill. So maybe this is one thing why. Wait, no, wrong. Did something wrong. No, oh wait. Sorry. No, not this. Okay, let's see. Whoa. Okay. Let's see here. I'll highlight. Let's see here. Okay, there we go. Much better. So let me see what else. Okay. So I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna put this in blue because it says leading to some doubts whether the Congress members actually read this. So I believe people might be arguing with this because the Congress didn't actually read it.